Man, I love relaxing on my couch. Yeah, it's just a nice life. What's that noise? I'm gonna go check out my window. Bo, was that a bird? Oh nah, but what's this dumb bird doing here? Boy, he's stinky, boy. He's bald as well. Nah, Bo. I'm gonna take you in, Bo. I always wanted a pet bird. Nah. I'm gonna give you a bath. See? Yeah, bath. Yeah, see, he's now get out the bath! You're coming with me. You need some hydration. Now drink the water. Now! Now! Good, bald bird. Alright, let's go, bud. Today you're gonna fly. Have fun. What the? No!